Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you differences between functions and macros in blueprints. Functions and macros are used to centralize any functionality which can be reused later on in the same blueprint. The main difference here between function and macro is that function in one blueprint can be reused from other blueprint, but macros doesn't. But if you really want, you can create blueprint macro library and share it between blueprints you need. If you need to calculate Pythagorean theorem in more than one place, you'll want to create a function. If you need to spawn particular number of factors based on volume of an object, you also want to create a function. Generally, if you've implemented any logic which consists of more than one node and you're able to intuitively name it, you will want to create a function. Same interpretations suitable for macro too, but with one important point. You'll want to create a macro if you use a latent node which cannot be moved to a function. Code inside of a function is not copied to a place where it's used. Conversely, code from macro will be copied after compilation at every place where this macro is used. Functions may only have one input execution pin, one output execution pin, and any number of simple input and output pins. Macros may have more than one input execution pin and more than one output execution pin. Well, to sum up, you want to use macro if you're using latent nodes and you want to make your blueprint cleaner and clearer. You'll also use macro in case you need more than one execution pin. If you have no latent nodes in your blueprint and only regular execution flow, you'll want to use function for the same purpose. So, if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe, and if you know more about functions and macros, add comments below. Have a fantastic day and take care!